Hi guys, applying the comments of my video from you guys, and oh my god, there's no sun at all. It's so loud. Guys, I'm about to film a video for, I think for the other channel, I don't know which one, but look what I'm doing right now. Look, I'm carrying this tripod. It's a long tripod. Hefty, hefty, hefty. I'm gonna sit down here. I'm still, the shoe is not done yet. It's like, it's not done yet, so I have to wait because I don't want to miss the thing. I don't want to miss the thing. So anyway, I'm here to review this product, and so I'm here to review this e.l.f. eyeliner. So this is it's good with this thing, the brush. I don't know, it's a very nice brush, guys. It's a very thin one. It's been raining. It's been raining, like, it's not crazy, but it's raining and kind of windy. Okay, hold on, I watch the show. So let's see how this product works on my eyes. Can I just tell you something? The product doesn't smudge. It's 12:30 now. Doesn't even transfer in my eyelid, because the only problem that I have in eyeliner, that's why I only use one product, which is the Maybelline graphic something, because it doesn't transfer on my eyelids, because I have very oily eyelids and it transfer all the time. And this one, it doesn't, but I will check you guys later. I will check in later again, guys, in a few hours from now. Hello people, I think I need to wear this sweater, guys, because it is really cold downstairs. The blue lights is right there. That's why I look like a blue woman. Blue. There is a movie that the woman is blue. I forgot. It's not a cat woman. It's black. But anyway, I love this. Anyway, I love any gray color. I still wear my pajamas because I'm here. I don't go nowhere, so let's see. I'll show you the rain. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Let the children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Okay, let's do it. It's raining. It's all the water from the roof. Everything is good down there. Look. Yeah, there's nothing. It's nice to sit in here, guys, but I don't have the thing yet. I don't put the cushion here. I have to put this back. I need to clean this up. This is from the Tommy's birthday. Look at that. There's a lot of birds. It's so nice. Oh my goodness. The rain, no wind. It's not that windy. It's very calm. It's not really crazy, but it's very nice. Oh my goodness. Nice to be here. Sit down. But I'm going to pee first. I'll probably bring my laptop here. Look, did you see the reflection on me? Ayo! Ayo! Guys, I really... You know what? I'm here outside. You know what I'm thinking? When it's raining in the Philippines, people are just in the porch or watching TV, snuggle with, you know, the family and friends. something like that. Some people are in the store, outside of the store, but you know, some in the I'm talking about province. They're like, you know, the little sari store have like a chair or a bench, you know, that people can sit when they're doing a tambay thing. When if kung nandun sila bibili or mag-inom-inuman with pulot-pulutan. What? So anyway, guys, my goodness, it's just very pretty in here. It's nice. The rain is so nice. Wow! You know what? This morning, guys. No, not this morning. It's like 11 o'clock. I saw a man walking from the side of the house, walking up there. If you can see in the back, there is a lot of trees in there. He walked in there, and you know what? He's wearing a sweater, blue and long hair. And it's not, the gardener is supposedly be here, but obviously they can't be here because it's raining, and it's raining. They're not gonna be here because it's raining. Well, they're not gonna clean up the mess, like the leaves is everywhere. They can't clean that up. It's kind of weird. I don't know why he went in that trees area over there. The one that you really can see. I don't know. Maybe he poop or pee in that area. I don't know. But kind of scary. You know what I did? I closed the blind really quick, and I closed the curtains and closed the window in the dining room. And because, you know, I don't want people that, oh, there's a woman in there, and I think, you know, I just don't want any trouble. You know, you don't know, you don't really know. So you know, Tommy got this, and he said, try it. No, I'm not gonna try it. It says ribeye steak, gluten free. Gluten free? What is that gluten free? Boneless. Tommy, oi, I'm gonna do that when you're here, Tommy. If you are listening right now, are you listening to me? This one also. I probably do this. This one I'm going to do. Hey guys, pumunta lang ako dito sa filming room kasi gusto ko. Ugly sa labas. Sobrang ugly sa labas. Anyway, alam ko na meron akong hiniimpake na glasses. Tignan natin dito. Dito, guys. I don't know if you've been here. I think you did. This is an attic. The light is on, so here you go. Need more floor over here, that area. So yeah, I'm looking. This is my wedding gown right there. Yan. Oh, wedding gown, pero safety na yan, guys. Double boxes na yan. At may silupin, dubling silupin sa loob. Pina-reserve namin kasi after. Iwan ko ba kung asan yun? Ay, ito ba yun? Hold on. Meron kaming vase, flower vase dito, dalawa ito. Tignan natin ito. Yan o. No, this is not it. Did you see over here, guys? This is the other attic. It's two over there. There's a door coming here. It's a long overhead door. Look at this. Yeah. There's a lot of storage area. But, alam mo na, ako lang mag-isa dito. Hindi naman ako takot. Pero, hinahanap ko yun eh. Kasi alam ko naman, nandito yun. So, that means if it's not here yet, there's another screen over here. So, that means if it's not here yet, it is still in the other house. I have to lock it, close the light, and ito mga filming ano ko to, green screen to. At saka ito yung lights. Daming lights kasi order ko to sa DNH online store for the lights for this. I ordered a lot of that. That was long time ago when I started. I decided to, you know, making videos, but I don't really do often. When I got it, my husband gave that to me, the green screen. Hi guys, I am sorting the whole thing, and look what I did. I am drawing some lipstick that it's old. It's been with me for a long time, and yeah, I'm testing a lot, and I threw a few of them. This is what I threw out because it smells strong. The smell's getting stronger and kind of not funny, sticky. So this is the L'Oreal thing. I love this when I got this. I got like few of this. I think I got like 5 or 4 of this thing. I don't know where is the other one, but I threw what I found. I threw it out. And this Jordana liner threw out. And I'm watching that show right there, and it's a mess, guys, because that's my makeup. Very little makeup, the lights on the tripod and the curtains, but that's really it. It's just very pretty outside right now, but the cloud, did you see the cloud? It's very cloudy, dark. I came down from the second floor bedroom. Okay, I'm gonna make a review of this thing, guys. I'm sorry there's a noise because I'm watching the show. And hold on, let me just shut this off. So it is 5 o'clock. Okay, 5:05. The eyeliner, guys, doesn't a smudge in the eyelid. Just like what I said in the last update with you guys, is I have an oily eyelids. It's very oily, which is really, I'm very picky when it comes to eyeliner. It's a big thumbs up for me, guys. It's easy to apply on. Yeah, it's very cheap. It's like you can buy it in Target. CVS, I think it's $3 in Target, and in Walmart I think it's $2. So yeah, guys, you can buy it. It's very cheap and it's really good. It doesn't smudge. So this is the salmon. Well, it's not a salmon, it's a salmon. The garlic powder, garlic powder, guys, garlic powder na, garlic powder, rokte na, miti, habti na, dimple alert. I miss my kids. And put a little oil in it, that, you know, when it's cooking, there's like a little gisa-gisa style thing like that. And a little bit of vinegar. And then what I'm gonna do is do like this. Everything is right here. You mix it. You mix it. Mix. And with the pork, you do like that. Pokey. Poke. Okay, that the flavor will get inside. You got it. So marinate this for a few minutes and then ready to bake. Ay, nako talaga. Ay, hiwalay na kami ng asawa ko. Oh, nakalimutan ko da. Ay. Namiss ko yung asawa ko, guys. Sobra. 1 week hiwalay. Hiwalay muna. Namiss ko yung pagmumukha ng pangit na yun. Huh? Ilagay ko na to, guys. Bakit tumutunog? Tumutunog. I-share ko lang to ha. Ano naman ito eh. Gusto ko lang tong ilabas. Ang nasa puso ko guys. Nasa puso ko. Nilower ko yung temperature. Temperature ba yun guys? Oh my god. Hinubuan ko ng sarili ko. Hinubuan. Ano naman to ha? Comment ko lang to or sa ano ko lang, sa feeling ko lang to ha. Tungkol ito sa mga politics doon sa Pinas. Si Duterte. Duterte ako guys. Pero sa mga nangyayari ngayon, iwan ko, hindi ko alam. Pero Duterte pa rin ako. Pero, so inusuportahan ko yung si Duterte, si President Duterte. Pero, ang problema lang, may mga desisyon na ginawa niya na parang naano ako, na nadismaya. Pero, suporta pa rin, pero nadismaya konti. At saka, ito din, na obserbahan ko lang to ha. Hindi naman ako maghanap ng away dito ha. Ganit ko tuso kung ano ang nasa puso ko, ilabas ko. Hindi naman lahat. Na nakita nyo ba na marami nang dumidikit sa kanya? Marami nang dumidikit sa presidente natin. Alam ko naman na may mga dumidikit. Ano lang to sa mga gaham-gaham, I don't know. Hindi naman natin lahat alam, may dumidikit na gusto talaga nilang pagbabago. Pero parang may dumidikit sa tingin ko, mga haka-haka ko sa isip ko lang ito lahat. Dumidikit sa presidente natin ngayon dahil gusto nila in the next future, baka gusto nilang maging presidente or manalo again kung sakali, kung dumadagan if they run for another election, baka gusto nilang maging presidente sa susunod na panahon. Merong mga dumidikit, gusto nilang pagbabago pero tinitingnan din nila kung ano ang future nila, kung dumadagan or if they will run for another, if they will run for another election. Kasi maraming supporter si Duterte, so gusto din nilang maging kaalyansa si Duterte para nasa kinabukasan din nila. Ay, yun lang guys. Ay, hindi ko na, ano ko lang to. Sa tingin ko lang ito. Para-paraan. Anyway guys, hi! I'm just gonna put this clip together with this video. As usual, every time I do a shout out because, the video is already done. And then I received some people want to be in my shout out, so I'm gonna do a shout out, insert this clip, and yeah, shout out to Hi Luna Chicky Kempton. Hi Luna, thank you for watching. And also shout out hi to Sheila May Fernandez. Hi Sheila May Fernandez, thank you guys. And to John Workus. Hi John Workus. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, and just keep watching. Continue the vlog. Vlog continue. Bye guys! Tommy just called me and asked me if I can Skype with him. He really misses me so much that he wanna Skype with me while he's working. No, I'm just kidding. He Skyped me guys because his job is going to have an Skype something tomorrow. It's a big thing. So that's why. So set up the Skype in the big screen. Smells so good right now. It's getting dark. Oh my god. Ay, wow, it's stuck. I cooked the salmon for dinner, right? And the salmon, it says not fresh. Oh, it's fresh, never been frozen. And yeah, I believe that because if they say that they really did it. Hold on, guys. But the only problem about that is we don't know when they have that stock on, and then when it's fish, it get bad really fast. So I freeze it and defroze it for hours outside. So I don't know what's trigger it, it went bad. And I know when the fish it will go bad, I know exactly what tastes like, because you know I grew up in, you know, there's a lot of fish in where I grew up, and we eat a lot of fish, and I know when what fish tastes like when bad. So I'm just gonna quick update. Now it's time, I think time now, let me see. The last update is the 5 o'clock, and now it's 6:32 in the evening. It's not smudging, it's good. So I'm gonna wash my face. Takes a while to pick it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you always for watching my video, guys. I appreciate it so much. Please hit the subscribe and thumbs up if you like the video, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.